Hello everybody, this is Wither Me That, and welcome back to another video at, we are in, Cubecraft. Yes, that was it. Thank you, sign. Actually, there's the IP. For the other video I made, right there's the IP. And, yeah, welcome back everybody. Sorry for the loud noises, that's just me setting up my microphone and stuff. Okay, I got it all set up. So, welcome back, everybody. And today, I thought it'd be fun to play Lucky Blocks. In the description, sorry, my brain is just gone. Will you guys all chat? I forgot completely. Anyways, so, okay, I'm just gonna play some Lucky Blocks. I'm completely dead, sorry. It's really late. So, yeah, I'm just gonna play some. Wait. Oh my. Look at us. We're twinsies. Yeah, twinsying it up. Okay. So, I'm just gonna play some Lucky Blocks. And whenever you do join, it asks you if you want to install something. You always have to, unless the Lucky Blocks look like sponges, and that's no fun. That is really no fun if the Lucky Blocks look like sponges. So, it always takes a while. Done. Oh, look, and I got my noise back. Alright, let's play solo. Oh, in the chat, I think. Bridges. No, ruins. Okay, so just type in the chat if you guys want me to play Lucky Wars or if you'll be there and stuff like that. Starting. Come on. Bring it on. Woo! So just like the other one, I'm going to be playing 2 games. But if one of them runs long, like this one, I'll have to just play 1. And go. Okay. I saw this one first. Oh gosh. What was that noise? That is probably not good. Come on, put it on. Okay. Ah! Oh no! Oh no. He's here. Why? No. Oh. Get all of that. Psh. Oh man. This is probably not gonna end well. There. It's like nothing ever happened. Come on. Okay. So you got me some food. That's always good, because you do run out of food really quickly. Come on. Okay, got the food. Why do I hear slimes? Okay, who has them? Okay. Come on. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, I almost just walked off the edge. Okay. Well, does not look like the Ender Dragon is happy. That's weird. I can't place down blocks. No! Gotta be kidding. I always thought the slime wand was useless. Oh. Man. Gotta be kidding. ING. Come here. No. Alright, let's leave. Bam. /leave to leave.
No, it's
/leave
shush.
to leave. Alright. That's one of the 2 games. I can't believe that we went down that fast. Playing ruins again. That's always fun. And it feels so cool. This is gonna take forever. Okay, so I time-lapsed that part for you guys so you didn't have to wait through it all. Let's go. And bam. Ooh. Can I make it? Yes! I get to blow up the bridge. Ow. Ow, that's loud. Ah. Wait, did I do it? Yep, I did it. I feel so mean. Wait, there was another one? Double TNT wand. These things are OP. Ah! Oh gosh. Shut up.
They are fire.
Ah, come on. Oh gosh. Those guys really scare me, especially on islands. Yep, it was just an explosion chest thing. Come on. See, as I told you, you run out of food quickly. Especially when you have some health taken away. Come on. Where did he go? Up. There's the noise again. Is he gone? Is he gone? Let me just get this iron. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna make a helmet. And some booties. Okay, that was a bad idea. I feel like someone's gonna come and attack as I'm doing this, which is not good. Bam! 10 out of 10. Haha.
Diamond fell.
The diamond block! Is it worth it? I think so. That helps so much. Please, no knock.
Seriously, hit him into the lucky block.
Ah! Lava! Oh, you gotta be kidding. Ah! Most of the time I forget I'm recording, so sorry if I've been silent. And also Ethan's been annoying me a lot. So,
Not able to upload this just because you said my name. Unless you cut it out. Ow.
so yeah. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I really do. And please drop a like and subscribe. I know this video wasn't as entertaining, but I try. So, if you think so, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I do videos whenever I can, and I'll see you all later. Bye!